Hey guys, welcome back. We're at the Cars and Coffee, Circle Drive, Saskatoon, and we've got Randy here. Randy, you brought something special out. This is Shane's 39. Tell me what you did. Lots to this. Tell me what you did.
Well, came in for an overheating problem, and then we decided, well, we'll change the shifter, and then figured, well, maybe we'll put a two-tone on it, and then it just spiraled out of control from there. So
yeah, it got a fresh repaint.
Yeah, repainted it. It's a tri-stage cream color with root beer top, and turned out pretty decent. Then we ended up Frenching in the antenna, the license plate.
Yeah, let's look at those things. So Frenched in the antenna. Nice job of that. The license plate got recessed.
Then the bumper, we tucked that in closer so it didn't stick out so far.
That turned out nice. And then the
put a fuel door on. So
LED lights now.
LED lights on it, and
the rims got painted, I noticed.
Yeah, and Darren at Rolling Steel did the rims. Did a nice job on those.
Yeah. And under the hood, it looks a lot cleaner than it did before.
Yeah, we cleaned up underneath the hood.
New valve covers. Nice looking Batwing air cleaner there.
Yeah.
The brakes got worked with. Now it's was it power brakes before?
It was power brakes before, but we changed it all up because the way the master cylinder was all kind of cobbled together before. So cleaned all that up, and then we split the front bumper, tucked that in about 4.5 inches.
Yeah, and you split it.
And split it, yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Shane had seen a picture one that had a split bumper, so we decided we better do that as well. So
that turned out really good. The whole front end looks mean.
Yeah, it's LED headlights as well. We switched that up, and
yeah, this car really made a transformation. I'm gonna have to put a link in this video to when we came and visited you. When was it, in winter?
Yeah, it was a couple months ago.
And it was all in pieces. I kept calling it a Pontiac. I made that mistake.
Yeah.
It's a 39 Chevy, and yeah, it's finally done. It's out. It's made its debut here at the Cars and Coffee. It's kind of nice to see this out. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice, but there's a lot of fleck in this paint, and it's got lots of different color in it in the sun. It looks amazing. It looks great, Shane.
Oh, well, good to Randy and the guy that did the wheel limit.
Oh, yeah.
No, Randy did an awesome job. Great ideas. It turned out awesome. Now we're just excited to drive it.
And Gord at Arctic Air, we got to say thanks to him. He helped you with the colors and the paint.
Yeah.
He did a nice job.
Yeah,
nice
exactly.
job.
No, came in for an overheating problem, and this is what we ended up with. So.
Yeah. And yeah, lots of little things like this has a pneumatic. This didn't work before. It didn't operate, that little vent, and now it's got a pneumatic
electric actuator. Yeah.
Yeah, actuator. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of nice little things got done here, and we should look at the trunk. You did a lot of work in there too.
Yeah.
So the first time we looked at the trunk, it was just bare bones raw steel.
And put the gas struts on.
Yeah. And you've got a little cubby here you've made.
And then, yeah, we did that so you can put stuff in there.
Yeah, you put your lawn chairs or whatever you want in there, and it's all hidden.
Yeah.
Nice job.
And then all LED lights, and you can't really see now, but yeah, all LED lights underneath and all under here, and
wow.
Yeah, so.
Wow, nice job, Randy.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good, so.
It sure did.
The main thing is the customer's happy, so.
Yeah, yeah, the boss is happy. That's important.
Yeah, job security.
Well, the car sure turned out good. It was nice to see it at the Cars and Coffee. You did an amazing job. Thanks for bringing it out today. I appreciate it.
You bet.
It looks awesome.
You bet.
Good job. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time.